just want to talk about SEO, and SEO is the stuff that people, clients often ask you about when they go, you built our website, we didn't get any traffic, now what? So I'm just going to talk about on-site SEO, and I have 4 minutes before I to do it. First thing, Yoast. It's a really good SEO plugin, and one of the cool things is you can add in a bunch of verification stuff. The thing about all this is the more information you have plumbed in and the more information you're collecting, the better, because you can then analyze it retrospectively if you need to. And also if your client goes, hey, what's going on with my blah blah blah, you can step into all this stuff and see what's going on and be very clever and they'll work it through. The next thing is meta tags. So a little backstory, this company here, matchbook.com, they rank for a whole bunch of key phrases, and some of them are quite competitive, like betting exchanges. When you look at the web page itself, there's only, it's a 404, it comes up in Google Cache as 404 page. The only unique words on the whole page are the title tags, or is the title tag, and it says here sports betting exchange, blah blah blah, lowest commissions and so on. It ranks that page for all of those keywords. This is using a tool called SEO Mush. So the point is that you don't necessarily need a ton of words on a page, but what is important is to get the title tags right. A really useful tool that you can use, which is not to do with WordPress, but it's very, very handy for getting an overview of your website, is Xen and also Screaming Frog. If it's under 500 pages, Screaming Frog is better. And you just crawl the site, and it gives you all this stuff, this data, so you can see whether you've got lots of duplicate title tags, duplicate description tags, and it's just all good housekeeping that you can get your clients to pay for. So it's more money for you, I guess. I assume, by the way, that all developers you build stuff for people, you know? Yeah, right. So I run an agency, and we have the same people. And the next thing is, in Yoast, back to that plugin I showed you, the plugin has a really good bulk title tag editing tool. So if you just have to do a massive sweep through the site, this just saves a ton of time. Rather than just messing about going into specific pages and all this kind of thing, you just get somebody to write it all up for you, and then you go to Yoast and just plonk it all in. And you can find somebody on Odesk or in these kind of places, and your job is go to the site, give me lots of unique title tags that relate to unique content on the page, give it back to me in a list related, resolved to the page that it needs to be put on. So you've got your URLs, you've got your title tag stuff, bosh, and it goes. Okay, we're on the final run in, and the next thing is on a particular page, you can also do this. Again, it's a nice feature of Yoast. There are 2 other, there's the all-in-one SEO plugin as well, but Yoast is just one of my favorites, and that's why I always talk about it. And a little tweak for RSS, you can add in, again in Yoast, you can add in where the content came from. So within the RSS feed that outputs from the site, there'll be a link back to your page. Nice little thing. Really important is when you're doing site migrations, and I'm sure you all get involved in this kind of stuff, redirection is just absolutely killer. The reason it's so good is because not only will it help you organize redirections within the WordPress CMS, if you're getting a whole bunch of error 404 pages, then you can do just a bulk upload into this, and it then sees the URL, now a dead URL, sees it, and then redirects it through to another page, which is great for usability and also really good for search engines. So it's a really handy little feature. The other thing is Garner, and this just helps users because it shows them related posts. Related posts is good, so they cruise around the site even more. That's a good thing. But the other big thing is that it helps organize internal link structures within sites. It's kind of a valuable little feature. And finally, that's it. My last 20 seconds I'm going to say is that getting all your on-site housekeeping done is about 15 or 20% of the whole story. The rest, annoyingly for us all, is about getting links into the website. So if they're screaming and going, you fixed my website, you got all the SEO stuff going, but I still don't rank, then you need links. Annoying. That's it.